Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You are signed in and ready. First, confirm your Microsoft account details and the target country. Once done, close the Xbox app and the Microsoft Store to avoid cached location conflicts. Open Windows settings, go to time and language, then region and set the desired country. You do this now because the OS region is the base that many apps, including the Xbox app, query. Changing it first prevents mismatches later and makes subsequent steps predictable and faster. Next, adjust the Microsoft Store region. Open Store, click your profile, then Settings, and change country/region to match the one you set in Windows. If the store block asks the change, sign into account. Microsoft. Edit your account's country and address, and add an appropriate payment method if required. Once your account and store align, restart the PC, then open the Xbox app and sign in. Doing this ensures the app fetches the correct catalog and subscription options tied to that region. Finally, verify Game Pass content and subscription status in the Xbox app. Your library and the catalog should reflect the new region. If something fails, make sure the payment method and billing address match the region exactly. Mismatched billing is the most common block. If the catalog still shows the old region, clear cache, run WS reset. EXE, sign out/in, or reinstall the store and Xbox app. This step resolves cached data issues. If problems persist, wait 24 hours for.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.